Welcome to our lesson about the rotate command. Let's start by activating the rotate command. Select the geometry that you want to rotate. And now right-click to finish the selection. First, we select the base point for the rotation. Now we enter the angle of rotation. Let's say 10 degrees in the command line. Enter to accept. And our rotation is complete. Let's undo. Now let's activate Object Snap Mode. Ensure that Endpoint Snap is active. Activate the Rotate command. Let's select the same entities and right-click to finish the selection. First, we select the base point for rotation. And now I'm going to select this endpoint. And our rotation is complete. Let's undo. Let's activate the Quadrant Snap type under the Object Snaps and activate the Rotate tool again. Make our selections and right-click to finish the selection. Now we select the base point. And now I'm going to right-click and select Copy. And then I'll snap to this point. And we've effectively copied our geometry. Now let's select the geometry we want to rotate. Activate the Rotate command. Let's select the base point. Notice the handle is collinear with one of the lines. Let's right-click and select Reference. And let's enter a reference value of 15 degrees. Enter to accept. And now I've got a 15-degree angle between the line and the handle. Let's click here to this endpoint and make one more copy. Activate the Rotate command. Select the geometry. Right-click to finish the selection. Snap mode is still active. Let's select this midpoint. Now, in order for the center of my circle to end up at this point, I need to use a 180-degree angle. Let's enter it in the command line and press Enter to accept. And this concludes our lesson about the Rotate command.